Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making Raisin Bran Muffins. Okay, we need to preheat our oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius and prepare our muffin tin with muffin liners. Oh, we need 1 cup of buttermilk. Well, I don't have buttermilk, so I'm going to use 1 cup of milk and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. We're going to put that in a measuring cup and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Then we need 1.5 cups of wheat bran. We're going to mix that with the milk in a bowl and let that sit for at least 5 minutes. Now while that's resting, we're going to get our dry ingredients together. So we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of fine salt. Now we're going to whisk that together and set aside until needed. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our bran mixture that we made before. So 1/3 of a cup of vegetable or canola oil and 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to take 1 egg and beat that lightly in a separate bowl and then add that in. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to add all that into the bran mixture and mix that up with a spatula until well combined. Now with a spatula, we're going to add in our flour mixture and mix that until almost combined. Then we're going to add in 1/2 cup of raisins and mix those in until they're evenly distributed. Do not overmix. Now we're going to use a large cookie scoop. We're going to scoop those into our prepared muffin pan about 3/4 full. We're going to bake those for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Then let them rest for 10 minutes and put them on a wire rack to cool completely. So there you go, Raisin Bran Muffins. Enjoy. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.